Welcome! This is a video introduction to Incunable 3877 at the Public Library of Bruges. This Incunable was printed by Colard Mansion in Bruges in 1484. It contains the Ovide moralisé, a French adaptation in prose of the Metamorphoses by Ovid, which was probably made by Mansion. In the title we can read Ovide and Metamorphoses. Mansion commissioned 34 wood engravings for this print, 17 large engravings like this one, and 17 smaller ones. This engraving shows the mutilation of Uranus by Saturn. In addition to the woodcuts, this specific copy has been illuminated by hand, as we can see in the margins and the initial. At the bottom, we have a provenance mark of Charles of Croÿ dating from the end of the 15th century. It is a large book consisting of no less than 391 folios. It is printed in a type of letter that recalls the Burgundian bastarda. Here we have the first one of the smaller engravings, and it shows Jupiter. Here we have Mars and Apollo. This is Diane. And here we have Juno. I am quickly showing just a small selection. This is Pan. Now, let's skip to one of the large engravings. Here. This woodcut depicts the allegory of the fallen oak, and this man right here, holding a book, is thought to be Colard Mansion himself. Again, the page has been decorated by hand. This Incunable from 1484 was the last book printed by Colard Mansion, after which he vanished without a trace. Archival documents show that he had incurred substantial debts by 1484, which might explain why he disappeared. If you would like to know more about this luxurious Incunable, you can find detailed information and a fully digitized copy in our catalogue. In 2018, the Public Library of Bruges and the Groeningemuseum will host an exhibition on Colard Mansion and engravings in the 15th century. This Incunable will be one of the many beautiful pieces of art on display. This has been the video introduction to Incunable 3877 of the Public Library of Bruges. Thank you for watching.